I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put a card through the bag. You need a bag that is sealed, closed, and a deck of cards that, okay there. You need a deck of cards. Sorry. And now, when you do this trick later on, you need to have it sticky, so you have to have the bag prepared to be sticky, which in this case I use my saliva, and I just did it right now. So now you gotta tell the spectator to pick a card, any card. Pretend to pick this one, the 10 red of hearts. Tell them to hold it, and then also tell them to cut the cards. When they cut the cards, tell them to put it in any pile. In case, I'll just put it right here. Now you just gotta look at this card, which is the Jack Red of Diamonds. So now you know that their card is gonna be in the Jack Red of Diamonds. And when you're looking through it, try to find the red Jack of Diamonds. Okay, now I see the 10 of their card. And now just put it at the bottom and face it down where your saliva is. You gotta press it down and then tell them to keep in mind that you don't know where the card is. So like I would be saying, and I don't know where your card is, and tell them that you gotta try to put it through the bag. And first you have to show them that the bag is sealed and all that, so they could believe you. After that, just keep on squeezing it free that it can stick on good. Okay, then there. It'll be kind of like this, but it's actually not really on it. It just actually just stick on the back, and you could just kind of make a good effect, like try to get it out or pretend, but it's actually not. Like you could kind of go like this. Which I'll teach you guys that later how to do that. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.